is a non-profit organization recently founded in Homer, Alaska.
HoWL's mission is to provide experiential education to young people in Alaska.
This is the best camp ever!
The awesome stuff we do on HoWL trips never stops. We hike, camp, backpack, mountaineer, rock climb, mountain bike, raft, canoe, and kayak. We travel on the ocean, on lakes, on beaches, up mountains, down rivers, over glaciers, and up rock faces, all in the pristine wilderness of the Kenai Peninsula in Alaska.
On HoWL trips, we also learn and practice the 7 Leave No Trace principles.
Leave no trace is a set of principles that help us to minimize our impact when we travel in the backcountry.
But leave no trace is not just some stewage or rules for us environmentalist hippies from Homer.
I ain't no hippie!
It's guidelines to have an awesome time in the mountains and how to survive.
Plan ahead and prepare. Always know the regulations and special concerns for the area you'll be visiting.
Travel and camp on durable surfaces. Stay on established trails, rock, gravel, dry grasses, and snow, and hike in single file order. Don't step on pretty flowers.
Dispose of waste properly. When traveling in the backcountry, always pack out what you pack in.
On HoWL trips, we always do the 7 Ds of dumping, but you'll have to join us on an expedition this summer to learn what the 7 Ds are. Otherwise, you'll end up with the optional 8th D, and believe me, you don't want that. Leave what you find. Leave rocks, plants, and other natural objects as you find them, so that others will be able to appreciate them too.
Minimize campfire impacts. Before roasting up your marshmallows, make sure to use an established campfire area.
Respect the surrounding wildlife. Remember that you share the area with other creatures, and do your best to keep them and yourself safe.
Cut kills!
And last but not least, leave no trace principle number 7 is be considerate of other visitors.
We have an awesome time preserving the wilderness of Alaska on HoWL trips by acting wild ourselves. We made these LNT skits to teach you guys about the Leave No Trace principles so you can get wild in a sustainable way like us HoWLers.
Smell bad, you're stinky.
Yeah, like the first L&T principle.
LNT!
Plan ahead and be prepared.
For instance, tell someone where you're going and always have an emergency plan.
Have everything you need.
Bagels. For instance,
I brought a stove so I can cook food in places where there's no firewood for campfires.
I brought a water pump so I could have clean water to drink.
And I didn't, so now I have giardia. I brought a radio so I can coordinate rescues.
I brought my survival kit, so when I get lost, I have everything I need to survive. It comes with knife, fire starter kit, rope, and water purification. What did you bring?
I brought you, the camp nerd, so when I get lost, I can steal your survival kit. I'll take this.
Don't bring things that you don't need.
Hey, catch!
I learned that rubber boots suck when you're hiking.
And if you don't plan ahead and follow L&D principles, you're going to be a junk show. And there's a song about that too.
Junk show!
Where's Ryan? Where's Ryan?
Hey guys, I got an idea. I think we can sum all this feeling up in one simple little tune.
Okay, let's sit down and listen, you guys. Let's sit down and listen.
I know a lot of things about nature and stuff that I'd like to teach you. One of these things you might not know is the sky and the ocean are blue. Hey, I'm a Georgia! Got wang ding diddlies and doodly doos hanging all off my pack. Got stuff scattered all around the camp, 'cause I don't keep my stuff in a sack, 'cause I'm a
And if you want to practice Leave No Trace and help HoWL save the world, come on a trip next summer and experience the firsthand what it means to be a howler. Contact us at www.howlalaska.org.